Getting a high-limit business credit card in 2026 without a personal credit history might seem like a dream, but for savvy entrepreneurs, it is a reality based on data and cash flow. The financial landscape has shifted, and the days of waiting for years to build a personal score just to fund your company are officially over. In 2026, lenders are much more interested in your bank balance, your monthly revenue, and your business model than they are in a personal score from a decade ago. In this video, we are going to explore the top high-limit, easy approval business credit cards that allow you to scale your operations rapidly while keeping your personal finances completely separate. We will look at how these companies use artificial intelligence to look at your real-time data to grant limits that can often be 10 to 20 times higher than what a traditional bank would offer. The first major player we need to discuss for high limits is Ro. In 2026, Ro has become the go-to choice for businesses that have significant cash flow but no desire to use a personal guarantee. What makes Ro a high-limit powerhouse is their ability to look at your total liquidity across all your accounts. If you keep a consistent balance and show steady growth, Ro can offer limits that reach into the hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars. They do not perform a hard pull on your personal credit, and the approval is based entirely on your business performance. For a founder who is scaling an e-commerce brand or a service agency, this means you can fund huge inventory orders or massive ad campaigns without hitting a ceiling. The best part is that as your cash flow increases, your limit is adjusted automatically, which gives you the flexibility to grow as fast as your market allows. Another incredible option for those seeking high limits without a credit history is Ramp. Ramp has revolutionized the industry in 2026 by focusing on spend management and high-level automation. They are famous for offering limits that are significantly higher than traditional cards because they underwrite based on your bank account balance and your burn rate. If you are a venture-backed startup or a profitable small business, Ramp is likely to give you a limit that matches your actual needs rather than an arbitrary number based on a credit report. They require no personal guarantee, which means your personal assets are safe and your personal credit remains untouched. Ramp also offers a flat 1.5% cash back on all spending, which can add up to tens of thousands of dollars in savings when you are operating with high limits. The platform is designed to help you spend less by identifying wasteful subscriptions, making it a partner in your profitability as much as a source of capital. For businesses that are primarily revenue-based, we have to look at the Stripe corporate card. If you are processing payments through Stripe in 2026, you already have a foot in the door for a high-limit card. Stripe uses your actual sales data to determine how much credit they can extend to you. Because they can see your daily transactions, they have a level of confidence that traditional banks simply cannot match. For an online business, this is the ultimate easy approval path because there is no separate application process with mountains of paper. If your sales are growing, your credit limit will grow right along with them. In 2026, this kind of embedded finance is the secret to scaling quickly without ever having to step foot inside a bank or talk to a loan officer. It is a seamless integration of your income and your credit, which simplifies your entire financial life. If you are starting from zero and need a high-limit path, we must mention NAV Prime. While many see NAV as just a credit monitoring tool, in 2026 they have become a vital gateway to high-limit funding. The NAV Prime card acts as a foundational builder that reports to all major business credit bureaus. While the initial limit might not be as high as Ro or Ramp, it is the most reliable way to establish the professional profile required for those massive lines of credit. By using NEF Prime, you are essentially telling the financial world that your business is a legitimate and responsible entity. Many entrepreneurs use NEF Prime for 6 months to build their Paydex score and then use that established history to jump into high-limit unsecured cards. It is a strategic move that pays off significantly in the long run, and the approval process is one of the easiest in the current market. We also need to discuss the role of revenue-based financing platforms like Wayflyer or Clearco, which have expanded their card offerings in 2026. These platforms are perfect for e-commerce businesses that need high limits for inventory or marketing. They do not care about your credit score. They care about your return on ad spend and your inventory turnover. By connecting your sales channels and your marketing accounts, they can provide you with a high-limit card that is backed by your future sales. This is a highly effective way to fund growth during peak seasons without giving up equity or taking on high-interest debt. The limits are often much higher than what a standard card would provide, because they are directly tied to the revenue you are generating every day. For those who prefer a more traditional banking relationship with a modern twist, Mercury is a standout choice in 2026. Mercury has built a full suite of credit products specifically for startups and tech-focused companies. If you use Mercury as your primary business bank, you can access their EO credit card, which offers no personal guarantee and high limits based on your Mercury account balance. The integration between your banking and your credit is flawless, which makes it very easy to manage your cash flow and ensure you never miss a payment. Mercury is known for its beautiful user interface and its commitment to the startup ecosystem, making it a favorite for founders who want a professional and scalable financial partner. To ensure you get the highest limits possible in 2026, there are a few key strategies you should follow. First, always maintain a professional business structure by incorporating as an L or a corporation. Applying with NI instead of a social security number is the first step toward high-limit independence. Second, try to centralize your business banking into one account for at least 3 to 6 months before applying for high-limit cards. Lenders want to see a clear and consistent history of revenue and spending. Third, ensure that your business has a clean digital footprint, including a website and a professional email. Automated systems in 2026 use this data to verify your legitimacy, and it can often be the difference between a small limit and a large one. Finally, do not be afraid to provide your financial statements if a lender asks for them. While many cards use automated bank feeds, providing a